Ladies and gentlemen, hello. My name is Vince Lopiccolo. I am the advisor for Rochester Adams High School DECA. Just got home from the Michigan Marketing Educators Conference. A friend was telling me about how she entered all of her students manually because of the way the new system is structured. I have a fairly large chapter. I have a large chapter. I would say anything over 50 people is a large chapter in my opinion. To enter 50 students' names by hand manually, you will definitely get to know your students, so that's great. But at the same point in time, I'm busy and I have stuff going on, so I don't have time to enter my students by name. I've got over 70 this year. So the way that I did it was a bulk upload. Now I'd like to show you the bulk upload. The default, when you get to this screen, which is not the first screen. The first screen I can't show you because I've already entered my students' data. I want to protect their privacy. So you're seeing the screen that says add students. You can kind of see, you move my mouse. You kind of see up here where it says add student. If I were to go back, you would see all of my students are already entered. So DECA is asking for new and different information this year, and if you've already entered your students, you know that. Maybe this will help you for next year, but for my Michigan DECA people, we still got a couple days, and I know I'm just at the very end stage where I'm ready to upload. And how I'm going to do that, how I did that, was by using the bulk CSV upload. Here's your destination, right? So this is where we want to end up at the very end. So there's another field down here. I really didn't use this field. I used this field rather than the individual. The individual, I would like you to note, let me get here, sorry. This is the information you must have. That's in red. First name, last name, grade, gender, demographic, member title, years as member. You can see all of those are in red, okay? And if you were to do this individually, you would use this save and finish or save and enter another member. Now, what I did, and if you're like me, you probably already have your students' data in some sort of either Excel spreadsheet or Google Sheets or some, I have to. I love to have my students' information organized. It's just me. So to download this CSV template, you click that and it then gives you a download, okay? So it popped up right here. I'm gonna open this up, show you what this looks like. I already have one open in the background. You'll see that in a second. You'll see this is what you get, okay? All the information across the top is here. It's all there, okay? What I've done is I wanna show you what I did to save it, because again, I think this is something you would really want to do, need to do. Here's desktop. And it gave me Unicode text both times. I would like you to note, please, that I would recommend the CSV, the comma, I don't know exactly how to say this, so I know I'm a teacher, but this is delimited. I'm not sure exactly how to say it. I've already called it a CSV file. What this extension stands for, I'll leave that to people smarter than me. So boom, there it is. I click that, I click this, I give it a name. I'm just gonna call it my 2017 DECA, oops, always caps, roster. Okay, boom. So, and, or I should probably call it registration because that made more sense. Okay, you guys will know I'm recording this without being scripted. So, now, yes, I definitely want to keep using that format. So now I've got this where I can copy and paste from whatever I already have created, or if you want to, if DECA, you can count on DECA to keep the system for the next couple of years, you could use this next year and put the information in this, or if you have a member relations chairperson or vice president, maybe they could do this for you, help you out a little bit, make your life a little easier. Okay, here's what we've got. Oops, I closed it. There it is. So, here are my students, well, some people that could be in DECA, not really because they're not high school students, but anyhow, great. I put blue for DECA with the required fields, grade, gender, demographic, member title, and then years as a member. Now, please note, there are specific information that is accepted, otherwise you will have to go and fix them. The grade level, 5 through 12, apparently it starts at 5th grade now. I teach at a high school, so mine are all 9 through 12. So gender, right? Note that there's an other or an opt-out. Demographic, also note there's an opt-out or an other, okay? And then chapter member. Now mine, I've got most of them are chapter members. What I do have is I have an executive council, that's my officer team. They are various titles and that's where they go. If you do have any if you wanted to enter t-shirts, you certainly could. If you wanted to enter cell phones, home phones, You definitely could. Also, for those that might have students with accommodations, you could note all those here, and then DECA will have that information. So, but I am doing all of this using this spreadsheet. This one's already saved as a CSV file, so either you'd copy and paste or you'd enter your information here, save it. Yes, I want to keep this format. Yes, and then I can close it. Sorry. Yes, save my changes. Yes, yes. Sorry, it's Michigan. So then I can do the bulk upload. And that's done right here. That wasn't as clean as I might have liked it, but here's what you do. You grab this, drag it into place, it copies it. I'm not going to do that because these are all not real students. As you probably noted, they're celebrities. So you drop all those in and then save it, and then you're in business. And then everything for me, I'm very hopeful, like oh, come on, get out of there. I'm trying to get to the top. Everything works. So at that point in time, I think I did have to click back or home. And at that point in time, it showed me my whole list. Again, my students are already in there. I hope this works for you. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps somebody. My name is Vince Lopiccolo. I have your great DECA year.